Okay, on this wall we have recipes for coffee drinks. How to make a latte, basic frappe, specialty drinks that are real popular such as the Almond Joy, the Truffle, the King Cake, White Cloud, Turtle, directions for a chai, hot chocolate, vanilla bean, and then your basic directions here for espresso drinks, lattes, and then your syrup right here. This is if you have a sauce and a syrup, how to mix that properly. If, like, say a person orders white chocolate macadamia or white chocolate and vanilla, anything like that, this is the directions you would go by. Right here it tells you, I hope you can see that, on the espresso drinks, the directions on how to do that, how many shots it gets, how hot it gets, how much sauce to use or how much syrup to use depending on the size drink that you're making. It's important to always stay consistent with your drinks and the measurements, because the customers need to expect the same thing every time, and we want them to be happy. On top of the espresso machine here, we keep the for here mugs. So if a person comes in for coffee and they ask for a mug, or they're going to be drinking it here, we offer the for here mug. It is charged as a small coffee and they get free refills. If they get it in a to-go cup, it is not free refills. We keep no more than 6 cups on top of here at a time, and we do keep them on top to keep them preheated, so whenever they put their coffee in from the air pot, it does not automatically cool their coffee down. But if we put too much stuff on top of the espresso machine, then it can cause the espresso machine to overheat through these vents right here, and that's where it, you know, keeps it from overheating. We keep shot glasses on the left and on the right, and on top we keep the little 2-ounce cups here. That's for measuring the 2 ounces of milk that goes in the frappes. This is a little cream cup, and then this back here, that's for the teas, hot teas and iced teas that use the loose herbs, and I'll show you how to do that in a later video. And this is the scoop that helps to pull all the ice forward. It makes it easier versus using the little bitty blue scoop there. In here, or here is the espresso machine. This is called your portafilter. That's the filter that goes inside. We have a double. We have 2 doubles actually. It has 2 spouts on the bottom and it's deeper inside. And then we have a single here. You can see it's a little bit more shallow, and it only has 1 spout on the bottom. We keep the portafilters inside the machine at all times to keep it preheated. On here we have the button for a small, medium, and a large. That's going to be 1 shot for the small, 2 shots for the medium, and 3 shots for the large. And on this side we have the option to do a 1, 2, 2.5, or 3. If you need to dispense hot water, say for hot tea, you will use this knob. This is the steam knob. If you see, steam's going to come out. That's for when you're steaming your milk or water. Inside this drawer right here on the front of this table, this is where we keep the sanitizing cloth and water for the espresso steam wand. This is where we keep the dirty spoons and such throughout the day. We fill it up with water so it doesn't get sticky. This is the clean thermometers, and then the clean spoons for stirring the drinks.